Learn English while cooking. So let me show you how to make easy, delicious, crispy breadfruit fritters. This simple crispy breadfruit fritters recipe is perfect for beginners English learners. The straightforward steps and basic vocabulary make it a great tool to learn kitchen instructions, sequencing words and ingredients names in English. So let's get cooking. For the batter, in a glass, add 6 teaspoons of oil, 10 teaspoons of water, pinch of baking soda and stir it well. In a pot, put 1 bowl of gram flour or besan, salt to taste, cumin seeds, turmeric powder. Pour the mixture of oil, water and baking soda into it and mix well. Then slowly pour in water and whisk until you get thick smooth batter, similar to pancake batter. Let the batter rest for 15 minutes. Cut the breadfruit into half, then into quarters, that is 4 pieces. Peel the hard green skin with traditional chopping tool or a coconut scraper. You can also use knife or vegetable peeler. Cut out and throw away the thick hard center core. Slice the fruit into thin pieces. Wash and put the slices in a bowl. Drain the water and add salt to taste. Toss it. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder. Toss and mix everything together with your hands. Rest it for 5 minutes. Then pour oil into a deep pan or a wok about 2 inches deep. Place the wok on a stove and turn it on. Heat it on medium. To check if the oil is hot enough, drop a tiny piece of batter into it. If it sizzles and floats to the top, the oil is ready. Now, we are deep frying our breadfruit. Dip each slice completely into the batter, ensuring it is fully coated. Carefully drop the coated pieces into the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Deep fry over medium heat, flipping occasionally until they turn a beautiful deep golden brown and the sizzling sound reduces. Use a slotted spoon to take the cooked fritters out of the oil into the spider strainer. And place them on a plate. After you make the first batch, just check your salt level. Then repeat frying for the fritters. Once all the breadfruit fritters are cooked, we're going to serve them up on a plate. Serve the breadfruit fritters hot with ketchup, mint chutney or cup of hot tea. So I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful for cooking and learning English. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. Remember, the secret is in the practice, both for learning English and for cooking. So it's time to give these breadfruit fritters a try. It's crispy on the outside and soft and savory on the inside. Easy, right? Enjoy it.